Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting With channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet headband and I hope to admire you. At first I will use a hook number 1.6 millimeter and a cotton yarn, blue cotton yarn. Start round 1, I will make a slip knot as shown now. Then make 10 chains. And skip first chain from the hook, then make single crochet into next 9 chains. I will make 9 single crochet as shown now. Round 2, I will make a chain and turn your work, then make 9 single crochet stitches into back loops only as shown now. Round 3, I will make chain and repeat previous row and continue crocheting until the measure you want. Now I finished that cord. Then I will gather together two parts together with single crochet stitches as shown now. I finished that cord and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and thanks for watching.